Hello YouTube, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm in Ikea and I'm meeting a few guys from the Beamer post. We decided to meet just because we are bored staying at home having these beautiful cars just parked, so we decided to meet up today. And there's one guy had to just pull up, so let's see man, let's see some M's cars, man. Let's see some M3s and M4s and stuff, man. We also got a JDM community and a Subaru community right here, so let's go, guys.
Perfect.
So this is a mineral white that just pulled up. You can see M3 right there. Beautiful car. He got the carbon fiber sunroof just like me. He got a 437 M silver wheels. Man, look at this exhaust. Man, that thing is huge. Look at my hand. It's like can go in there, man. This is huge. Nice diffuser. I think it's M Performance diffuser right there. So guys, I'm meeting with Brad. So Brad is the one with the white M3 that I was filming a second ago. So let me show you Brad.
What's up, guys? Thanks for tuning into Theo's channel. My name is Brad, like you said. Also, my channel is Just One More Mod, so you should check that out as well.
This is one more mod.
Just one more
Follow
mod.
him.
So this is my mineral white F80 M3. It's a 2016, and I'll just go around the car a little bit, talk about some of the aesthetic mods that I've done in the past and have just actually recently done that you can check out on my channel. So, as you see here, the rondelles are no longer the stock ones. They're gloss black, carbon fiber,
And they do spin.
and these do spin. Yeah, these are the floating ones, so they will self-center every time you park, which I love because I'm OCD like that. But let me show you what I mean by the gloss black. So on the other BMWs, this outer ring is chrome, and I wanted to get rid of as much chrome as possible because nothing on here is chrome. So this outer ring is all gloss black, and then carbon fiber inside matches with the gloss black kidney grills. I wanted to consider M Performance splitters, but I scraped too much, so I got the bumper inserts by Sturken. They are beautiful, high quality. Coming around this side, so we know that a lot of people will make this gloss black on the fender, but what they don't know is that the grille part is actually still flat black. So this is from IND, and this is painted gloss black to match this gloss black. So just going with the whole black, white, and carbon fiber theme. Going around to the back, have the M4 style spoiler for F80 M3. This is by Mode Carbon, and as you can see, the rondelle again from IND is on the back. Gloss black M3 badge, pretty popular with a lot of people. M Performance rear diffuser, and then this is actually just exhaust tips. These are by Supreme Power. This is heat treated black and with the brushed inside. These are 90 millimeters, so they are pretty massive. The brake reflector delete. That I got from IND as well. That is gloss black. So continuing the whole gloss black mineral white.
On the inside, do you have any carbon fiber pieces?
Not additional. That is not from the factory. I do have a CUDA phone mount, which looks. I get a lot of compliments on that.
Yep, that's actually very beautiful. I need that.
Yeah. So you can just take your phone, pop it on there,
Nice.
and just view it, and it's magnetic, so.
Uh-huh.
It works pretty well. Oh, on the driver's side, you have the multi-gauge from P3, so you can see right here. So it'll tell me my boost, it'll tell me air-fuel ratio, coolant, 0 to 60, 6130, all that fun stuff. So it was really clean. I reached out to them because if you get that stock for an M3 or M4, it's all amber, which is okay, but when you have an M3, M4, your gauge cluster is white with amber needles. So I reached out to them and said, hey, can you custom make me something? So it's actually a combination of white and orange. The bars, when they go up, the bars will be orange, but the numbers, the numerical numbers will be white, so it matches with the dash. So that was really cool. I am tuned on boot mode 3, stage 2.
Woo, stage 2.
So I do have AR resonated downpipes. So catless, but they are resonated. They're one of the few companies that do resonated because I didn't want to introduce any more rasp or metallic sound. And then I went with ESS tuning charge pipes. They're silicone. I like the silicone fact because they don't heat soak. So I've just been driving here for a while, and like most cars, you can't do this and just hold on to it. Where right now I'm just grabbing that and it's warm, but it's not burning me. So silicone charge pipes, AR resonated down pipes, custom stage 2. I went with Kerry Jordan for a stage 2 map. I'm running 93 octane. However, at my disposal, I have a full E85 map, but I just filled up my tank with 93. So
how many horsepower you think you got, like in tow to the wheel?
On the 93 custom stage 2, if I had to guess, somewhere probably 500 wheel and 550 torque to the wheel.
Okay.
On the stage 2, that's probably being a little conservative. Kerry told me that with E85, I'm probably 580 to the rear wheels and 600 wheel torque on E85.
So again, go ahead and follow him on his channel, and he's showing me some love, man. So thank you, Brad.
You got it. Thanks, Theo.
Man, this is crazy right here. What type of diffuser is this? Lord have mercy. What a nice M2 competition. Got the E92, actually E90 M3 here.
I care. I was losing power. I didn't feel. I wouldn't feel the bullets in like. It's for your car, bro.
Got more cars still pulling up.
I just love the body panels on them. I mean, it would have been cheaper probably if I would have did the shades. That's your girl? Yeah. What's up, Chuck?
Good job, bro. This one is 6.
made a payment.
IND. Krapovich exhausts. This is crazy. There is so many cars. There are so many cars, man. So many cars. As you know, whenever there's car meets, there's always some fools that will come and make a lot of noise, and the cops shut us down, man. So people are leaving now, as you can see behind me. People are leaving, and yeah. So I think I'm gonna go home too. So thank you guys, man, and see you on the next video.